Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove overnight skin tag, get rid of skin tag overnight. It's 100% working and it's magical remedy to remove the skin tag and to get rid of this skin tag that it doesn't look attractive, and it gets you to look really impressed with this magical remedy. You will be amazed with the result. It is super effective in getting rid of it, and in overnight it will fall off without leaving a mark and you will get rid of it. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need is pure kapoor, and kapoor is used for worship and it's easily available online and local stores as well. I'm going to use this amount of pure kapoor, and if you have the big tablets you can use 1 tablet or 2 tablets, but here I'm going to use this much of this tablets because it's a small tablets. As you can tell, you need to grind it fine to a powder, to a very fine powder. So grind it as much as you possibly can to get it to work 100%. So now, my friends, I grind it fine into a powder. As you can tell, it's super fine and it grinded really fine. Place it in a clean mixing bowl. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of pure coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil available for you. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, around that much. Now we need to mix very well the ingredients until the kapoor will dissolve completely in the oil. You'll smell the smell of the kapoor. It's this smell, the like menthol smell, menthol smell, kind of this, and that means it's going to work for you 100%. Kapoor active ingredients helps in drying this skin tag and make it fall away without any kind of harsh cut it or stuff like this. This magical remedy will make it also not appear again, and it's not gonna leave a scar as well. So now, after mixing very well the ingredients with an aid of toothpick, dip in the toothpick into the remedy like so and apply it on the skin tag like that, my friends. Apply it on the skin tag and leave it overnight. In the next morning you'll find the skin tag got dried and it's going to fall off without causing any scars with this simple remedy.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.